Marine who put Jordan Neely in a chokehold after the career criminal threatened passengers. We're told is going to be arrested tomorrow. Michael Discioarro is here, former assistant DA in the Bronx, now criminal defense attorney. Help us understand this process, because he was not arrested at the time of the crime by the police. Therefore, at some point, he's going to have to be arrested by the DA, indicted by a grand jury. Why arrest him sort of between those two timestamps?
Great to be with you, Leland. I don't know. There's no legal reason why you would arrest him now. In order to charge somebody with a felony in New York, you either have to get indicted by the grand jury, you have to get a Supreme Court information, which the defendant has to waive. That doesn't happen in this case. So he's been out for 3 weeks. I got a call today from Joe Marino. He's the best crime reporter in the city. And he's asking this question. And I said, Joe, there's no reason why he needs to be arrested. He's still in the city. He's not a flight risk. So it appears that the only reason to bring him before a judge and charge him and then indict him is for political gain. I'm not sure, because I don't do politics, but the grand jury is available. You can go to the grand jury right now, and if they indict him, then the judge issues a warrant and you arrest him, and the process goes on.
Huh. All right. Well, as you said, you don't do politics. We deal in facts here. DA Alvin Bragg, is he the one who would make this decision? Is there anybody else who could make this decision?
Again, that's actually how, it is a political office to a certain point. I can't imagine anybody in this case other than him making this decision. If it was a regular defendant, a run-of-the-mill case, there's supervisors, there's grand jury supervisors that make the decisions along with the police. But this is
yeah, and it's interesting, right? Because if you wanted to, it's interesting, right? Because if you want the political cover, you would send it to the grand jury, and then the grand jury indicts or not indicts. But if they don't indict, then you don't have the opportunity to arrest him afterwards, which may mean that Bragg just wants it either way. I just want to get you on this. New York State statute, Class C felony, person's guilty of manslaughter in the second degree when that person recklessly causes the death of another person. So is that premeditated murder? Punishable by up to 15 years in state prison and a substantial fine. Obviously, the defense would be self-defense. Neely had 42 prior arrests dating back to 2013, one active warrant, and evidently as he walked on the subway car said, I don't have food, I don't have a drink, I'm fed up, I don't mind going to jail and getting life in prison, I'm ready to die, and then got in some kind of altercation. So does the self-defense standard change because this guy's been charged with manslaughter?
No, the justification defense is the same. The facts, every single defense case, self-defense case, comes down to the minutia of the facts. Did he come at me first with the beer bottle? Did he threaten me from while he was in his car? These are all things that we don't know yet, because we don't know what happened between when he got on the subway and then when he started being choked. Did he lunge at someone? Did he not? These are all very specific things, and there's no video of that. So now we're back to the good old days of witness statements and witness observations, depending on how many witnesses the detectives were able to connect with and get their statements on paper. So it all comes down to that period when 12 people have to say, is this justified based on these facts?
Yeah, and you pointed out the facts are important. The video will be important as well. Michael, it's good to see you. We appreciate you hopping on with the breaking news, and obviously we're going to have you back tomorrow and then through the next couple of weeks as the grand jury deals with this. We'll see you soon.